been one of those years like that for me. In February, I was doing a show in the northern part of Minnesota, and it was so cold, a beautiful place. It was so cold, it was like 15 below zero. And after the show, we were talking to some guys backstage, and they were trying to talk us into going ice fishing with them. It's 15 degrees below zero. I said, guys, you know what? I appreciate it. I said, I don't really think I want to be that cold. And one of the guys goes, oh, it's not that cold. He goes, we built a big bonfire out on the lake. And you call us stupid in the South. But I got to thinking about that ice fishing, especially from the point of view of the fish that gets caught and then thrown back. Think about it. In the animal kingdom, that has got to be the closest thing to one of those out-of-body experiences. That fish that gets thrown back, he goes back and he tells his buddies, he's like, dudes, I was just swimming along, and all of a sudden I felt myself being drawn towards the light. And it was getting brighter and brighter, and then I went through this opening, and I saw my dead relatives all around me. And I saw God. He was wearing a flannel shirt and a Budweiser hat. And he held me and said, it's not yet your time. Go back.
I was fishing last Friday on a lake in Mississippi in the humid summer heat. On a boat with my best friend Cletus, who was sleeping in the back seat. Well, the bites were slow and we were running low on chips and Gatorade. It'd been a long, hard day. I felt a tug on the line and I didn't pay attention. It was spinning way too fast. Before I knew it, I was staring at a 10-pound shiny bass. And when I tried to pull the fish inside, I pulled a muscle in my upper thigh. I was so scared, I threw my rod up in the air. Cletus, take the reel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'ma let it go, and I need your help fast. And if you don't, my fish is gone. Oh, Cletus, take the reel. Oh, I'm letting go, and I need your help fast. If you don't, my fish is gone. On this boat I'm on, Cletus, take the reel. Oh, take it from me.
I'm the big boss Spence. You work for me. This is my rock. These are my wheels. You can drag your crankbait right in front of my face. Take your presentations to some other place. Read your magazines and watch TV. Listen to the experts tell you how to catch me. Bring your finest equipment, bring all your stuff. 'Cause I'm the fattest, the meanest, I'm smart and I'm tough. I'm the big boss Spence. You work for me. This is my lake. Leave me be. If you're thinking about catching this $1,000,000 fish, well, on your next birthday, blow out the candles, make a wish. Go to your seminars and watch TV. Listen to the experts tell you how to catch me. Bring all your equipment, all your finest stuff. 'Cause I'm the fattest, the big boss bass. Keep on dreaming, keep on trying, keep on hoping, keep on crying, keep on praying for a little bit of luck. No matter what you do, it's still not enough. I'm the big boss bass. You work for me. I'm the big boss bass. You work for me.
Well, I wish I was a catfish swimming in the deep blue sea. I'd have all you women fishing afternoon, fishing afternoon, fishing afternoon. Well, I'm broke and I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Ragged and I'm dirty too. Well, if I
Oh god, it looks like
baby, can
a
I
psycho in the boat now.
stay home with you?
Here.
Stay home with you.
Alright.
If
Okay,
I
Mr. El Natural Wacky Worm. That's a good 8-pounder, man.
let me sit down in front of your door, I'll leave so early your man won't know, won't never know.
Sam read The Fish Finder like his favorite book and said, "Jeff, you got bait on your hook? There's a big one down there. It's a Chinook." He gunned the troller, gave me a look. He said, "We're right on him." Without missing a beat, yelled, "Drop your line down to 42 feet. If you don't screw up, it won't be long. Someone in this boat's gonna sing Fish On."
Fish on, fish on.
Do it by the book, don't take too long. Set the hook, reel it in strong. Fish on, fish on.
Well, he surfaced once, then swam back down. Sam said he's just about 29 pounds. I said, "Cut him loose. That ain't gonna work." Sam said, "Jeff, you stupid jerk." You know they don't bite like this all the time. I say, "Sam, we here on my dime. And I got a bet with my old friend Dan. I'm coming home with a 50-pounder in hand."
Fish on, fish on.
I may be crazy for letting him go, but I gotta think big to collect my dough. Fish on,
About the same fish a week ago.
fish on.
We're gonna let him go again. Bye-bye.
Well, the boat went silent as we set him free. Sam just sat there staring at me, smoking a burro, spitting in the sea. I was getting hungry and I had to pee. Then just as we were about to give up and go home, I felt a tug on my rod like none I'd known. It was ominous, like a monster from the deep. I say, "This is the one I believe I'll keep."
Fish on, fish on.
Wind your line, got to make it whirl. You can't catch a king reeling like a little girl. You got fish on, oh, fish on.
I was barely holding on when the fish master cried, "He's dragging the boat, taking us for a ride." I knew I needed all my strength right now. Then the fish yanked my ass from the stern to the bow.
Jesus Christ, that's a hell of a fish.
But I didn't let go, though my knuckles were white. I said, "Fish, I'm gonna win if it takes all night. I'm reeling you in, and that ain't all. I'm mounting your fat, scaly butt on my wall."
Fish on, fish on.
I got it. Close your eyes and quote the script.
scripture, but first get a camera and take my picture. Fish on, smile real pretty. Fish on, whoa, whoa.
It took 3 hours to get that bastard in the boat. We were taking on water, just barely afloat. When we reached the dock and the crowd gathered round, they said, "We heard on the air he was pulling you down." I said, "Don't believe all you hear, 'cause it ain't always true. I was playing that king. It's my job. It's what I do." Then we hung him from the scale for the whole world to see. He was 3.
Fish on, fish on. Wanna thank my mom and thank my crew. Especially wanna thank all the little people too. Said fish on, fish on. Oh, hit him again, he's still kinda squirmy. Somebody call my damn taxidermy. Fish on, fish on. Oh yeah. Fish on, fish on.
We just heard of a brand new way, and we hope it's here to stay. We'll have to wait and see if it's half of what they say. We heard he opened up a brand new door. Well, you know that's what I'm looking for. We'll have to wait and see if it makes you shout for more. How do you like him so far? How do you like his show? How do you like the way he rocks and the way he rolls? How do you like his image? How do you like his style? How do you like the way he looks and the way he smiles? The kid is hot tonight.
You got it, man.
Oh, so hot tonight.
Wow.
But where will he be
That's the biggest one here.
tomorrow?
What? Did it? Good. Whoa. Careful.
It's hot tonight.
What do you want me to do, man?
Oh, so hot tonight. But where will he be tomorrow?
Hey,